back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I have another work from home job lead for you. This one is going to be in the financial field, and it is from the travel website Hopper. They are looking for an air chargeback specialist. Now, this is going to be reviewing chargeback claims for credit cards and processing those claims accordingly. Just know if you're interested in applying, the links to this job page are in the YouTube description box below this video. You may have to hit the little more button to have it drop down to see everything in the description box. Now, this is for my United States folks only, but you'll be responsible for daily processing of chargeback claims, assisting with researching fraud and chargeback trends, and resolving the disputes for all card brands. So you'll proactively and effectively work disputed transactions via their chargeback process to minimize revenue loss by providing support documentation. So what this means is that someone has a credit card charge from Hopper, and then they dispute that charge for a chargeback or reversal of the charge with their credit card company or bank. Now, Hopper is the bank will reach out to Hopper, and Hopper will be responsible for providing the documentation saying, no, this person really bought this service or whatever from us, and this charge is legit, and don't reverse it. So that's what you'll be doing. You'll be researching all of those claims and providing that documentation to those credit card companies. You'll effectively use all of your tools, both internal and external, to relate the information back to the payment processors. You'll perform the necessary research and looking up those transaction details to make sure that you include everything that is needed with the disputes. Of course, while doing this, you're going to have to make sure that you keep private and sensitive information confidential. You'll review, enter, and update database information while making sure that the data is accurate, and you'll notate the order status information. You'll also help create, process, and documentation for the products that you're responsible for and communicate that to stakeholders. Now, they are not requiring any kind of college degree. Their minimum expectations are that you have a passion for Hopper's business and helping them. You have great judgment skills. You have a resilient attitude, ability to stay on your toes with any changes that come about. You're a great communicator. You're a team player. And you have strong organizational skills. Now, unfortunately, they did not list pay in the job description. That will have to be asked at the time of the interview. I do have a Hopper's Glassdoor page linked down in the YouTube description box below if you want to do more research on the company yourself. But I did try to look through and find a salary for this position, and I could not find a job title that matched this. All right, as always, if this job lead was not for you, that is okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really, really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.